If you haven't already heard, I'm partnered with Jenny Hanslane on a workshop for Amazon ads for beginners. So I am really excited for this. And before I get started on what the actual workshop is about, I'm going to go over to my campaigns just to show you that I'm definitely a beginner. So I've spent a total of $35.96 with Amazon ads so far, have $266.15 in sales. Keep in mind that's total, so that's not counting like the cut that Amazon takes. So that's not my profits. That's the amount of total sales. ATOS is 13.51%, which is good. That means I should be making a profit. And impressions is a little over 47,000, and that's currently set to lifetime. So, and I also run my ads on $2 a day and $1 a day right now. And let me go over and give you a little overview of Jenny Hanslane. I can't really give a complete overview, but because there is so many things that she does that is incredible. But I can show you her YouTube channel where you can check out more information, and she posts tons of amazing content. She's got 570 videos right now on here and a little over 4,000 subscribers. So I highly recommend checking her out, giving her a subscribe if her content is something you're interested in. And if you want to make money online and especially learn Amazon ads, then I definitely recommend it. So she is a powerhouse when it comes to Amazon ads. She loves them and has multiple videos showcasing her journey with Amazon ads and different tips and tricks that she has. She does so many things I honestly can't remember all of them off the top of my head, so I definitely recommend talking to her yourself and watching her videos. But she has made well over $40,000 with Amazon ads here. She has a $5 strategy for Amazon ads and so much more. So she has proven her methods over and over again. And that's another reason why I'm so excited to partner with her on this. She's also very, very nice and is always willing to help. So I'm just beyond excited. So moving on to our actual workshop. It's called the Over the Shoulder Amazon Ads Coaching, and Jenny will be going over a few main points of Amazon ads for beginners. She'll be going over how to create your first Amazon ads campaign, what is the best type of ad to use for your books, how to scale a low budget campaign, and we'll also have a Q&A. So I'll be able to ask her questions. You can ask her questions if you're on the live coaching call. If you happen to not be able to attend, you can watch the replay. So you'll still get all of the amazing information. It'll just be in the replay form. And it's going to be for $37. So if you're worried about losing money on ads and you don't really know where to start, then I recommend investing your money into a workshop like this because she has done this over and over again, and I'm very excited to learn from her. So she has spent, in this screenshot here, over $13,000 on ads, but she's made over $93,000 in sales. And yes, of course, that is overall sales, not profit. But if you check out her channel, she posts her income reports, her ACOS, everything like that. So she is definitely making a profit here. And she's had over 17 million impressions. That is amazing. Here's one with a 3.46% average ACOS. Here's one with a 14.72% average ACOS. I mean, she really has just proven herself with Amazon ads. So some questions you might have is how much should you spend or will you be spending? We'll be focusing on $1 a day. And I'm really happy for that because a lot of beginners and people who don't have a lot of money like me, this is where we start. And a lot of the courses are just way too expensive, like $100, $200. And I simply can't afford that. So I'm really happy that we have this course set at $37. So I know that's still a good amount of money, but if you don't want to try Amazon ads on your own and you're worried about spending that $37 just on ads with not getting sales, and I recommend investing that into this course. But if you simply don't have the money to try ads right now, that's fine. I try to be as transparent as possible, and I still believe you don't need ads to be successful on KDP. I still believe that you don't need to spend money to make money. However, if you want to scale your business quicker, if you want to enhance your books already, I think ads can definitely be a helpful tool, and that's why I'm willing to learn them because I want to scale my business and increase my profits even more. And I am just very, very thrilled to be offering this course with Jenny, and I'm so glad that she asked me to partner with her. So how many books can you scale at once? She'll be showing us 2 different strategies to scale one or multiple. Attend the workshop, you can watch replay, which is great. It'll be July 12th at 5 p.m. Eastern. So if you can't make it, don't worry about it. You can watch the replay. If you're not tech savvy, I wouldn't worry about it, honestly. The user face for Amazon ads is very user friendly, and there's lots of YouTube videos about the ads. But of course, like, do whatever your comfort zone is. Will this coaching session be offered again? Right now, we have nothing planned, and the doors will close on this. So if you want to have the opportunity to be in a live coaching call with me and Jenny with a Q&A, and if you can't make it the option to watch the replay, then this might be your only opportunity to do that. So I recommend hopping on if you want to learn ads and you're a beginner with ads like me and you also don't have a big budget. Will the workshop help me with high content books? This workshop is geared toward low content books. So I'm not saying that it couldn't be helpful potentially, but this workshop is geared toward low content books. So I recommend going to this workshop if that's the kind of books that you're looking to scale. And yeah, there's so much more information on this page. So check out the link I have in the description, and I'll probably pin it in the comments as well. But doors will close on this very, very soon. So I do recommend jumping on while you can, because like I said, we may not offer something like this again. And if you have any questions, just comment them below and I'll be more than happy to try and help you and answer them. But I'm just really excited for this, and I'm excited to learn, and I really hope to see a lot of you there. So thank you so much for watching.